Hey guys, it's Paula from Clay County, Tennessee Dog Rescue. I'm not going to really have a lot of time to do individual pictures, and don't mind the noise. So this is the Springer Spaniel Beagle litter, Mama Springer Spaniel. We have some really cute babies. They're in a crate right now because I'm cleaning their big area. So we're going to try to do one at a time. This one is a bobtail. And this is a girl. And, oops, sorry, baby. This is Lily. Hi, Lily. All right. Next one we have is a girl. She's so cute. She's also bobtail. And her name will be Lanny. All right. Hi, babies. Okay, this is Lisa's favorite right here. This is a boy. And he is not a bobtail. So we will name him Landon. Hi Landon, welcome. I'll get you in your area very quick. This one looks like almost the runt of the litter. Another little girl. And we will name her Lulu. I love you, Lulu. Okay. This fluffiness right here. Whoops, don't fall out, baby. This fluffiness is a Bowie. Oh, he's adorable. And he is a bobtail also. Hi, baby. Let's name you Luke. You're so fluffy, Luke. I love you, Luke. All right. We might be getting them mixed up now. Okay. I don't think we've done this one. This one, oh yes, we have done that one. All right. Here's another black one. And this is a boy, so that will be easy to remember. Hi, baby. How are you? And he has kind of a bobtail, half of a tail. Oh, I'm sorry, baby. So let's name you Logan. Hi, Logan. Oops, hi, baby. Oops, sorry. And this one, oh, look at the eyes, so pretty. This is a boy, and we are gonna name you, another L name. Let's name you, oh, Loki. There's Loki. So Loki, Landon. Oh, and the little tan one. I missed the little tan one. Little tan one. So anyhow, these guys are still nursing. They are about 6 weeks old. And we will be posting more pictures. But you're welcome to come meet them and pick out your puppy. We are really swamped right now, as you can see. So, let's do the beagle litter while we're doing videos. I will tell you that Ella has been spoken for. They are now 4 weeks old. Hi, babies. So this is little Ella. Hi, Ella. She's the runt. She's been spoken for. They're very playful. Okay. Come here. There's our little boy. I'll have to pull up the pictures again. There's our other little girl. She's so pretty. They're so tiny. Ella, of course, only weighs, well, she weighs 16 ounces now. But so we got the beagle litter. They'll be ready on July 17th. That's a little boy. Yes. Mwah. So anyhow, we have 3 more litters to go.